Yes, hello, good morning. This is Jen from Focus of Net. Can you speak to someone from your IT department, please?
From what matter, ma'am?
This is regarding from the software system that you are using.
I'm so sorry, ma'am, but we don't have an IT department.
How about accounting department?
Okay, wait a second. I will transfer you to the accounting department.
Okay, thank you.
I'm so sorry, but the line is busy right now. If you want, you can call later.
You don't understand. This is regarding from the software system that you are using. I want to talk to your accounting department right now.
But the line is busy right now. All you need to do is to wait, okay?
I don't want to wait. I want to talk to that department as soon as possible.
Thank you for calling Pacman Pizza. This is Des speaking. How may I help you?
I just want to order a 14-inch sponge pizza.
For anything else, ma'am, can I have your phone number, please?
It's 1234567.
Okay, ma'am, can I have your full name, please?
Full name is Genevieve Perez.
Okay, ma'am, so can I have your exact address, please?
My exact address is Rajam Street, San Andres, Bukid, Manila.
Okay, ma'am, I will repeat all you said. So you're Genevieve Perez, and your phone number is 1234567, and your exact address is Rajam Street, San Andres, Bukid, Manila.
Yes, all the information is correct.
Okay, ma'am, can I take your order, please?
I want to order a 14-inch sponge pizza together with 2 regular Coke.
Would you like to add 6 buffalo wings?
How much is that?
Cost 200 pesos only.
Okay, just add it into my order.
Okay, your order is 14-inch sponge pizza together with 2 regular Coke and 6 buffalo wings. Is there anything else, ma'am?
Nothing.
Okay, your total bill is 995 pesos together with the delivery charge. Do you have an exact amount, or do you want me to send change from your bill?
I have an exact amount for that.
Okay, ma'am, thank you for ordering. Okay, ma'am, thank you for ordering. Enjoy your meal and have a nice day.